So, kumusta mga kaibigan? We're back with another video and this time hindi siya repair, kundi informational video. Meron tayong nakitang post ng official Facebook page ng Civil Service Commission. This one is definitely a good news, no, sa mga sangguniang kabataan members. So, let's read the post according to Civil Service Commission's Facebook page, mga kaibigan, or official Facebook. So, yan, Philippine Civil Service Commission. Good news, kabataan. If you served as an SK official, elected or appointed, so pasok dito yung mga elected, such as the SK chairman, same as true sa mga SK kagawad. Pasok din dito si treasurer at si secretary. Okay? So again, ulitin natin. If you served, past tense yun, kung nagsilbi ka. If you served as an SK official, elected or appointed, and completed your full 3-year term, you are now entitled to civil service eligibility under CSC Resolution number 2500752. Wow! So sa mga previews and sa mga katatapos lamang ang termino, sa mga nakaupo pa, congratulations dahil kung natapos ninyo or matatapos ninyo yung full 3-year term, entitled na kayo to have the civil service eligibility, which is magiging advantage na ninyo or edge na ninyo once na mag-apply kayo ng trabaho later on. You're so lucky. Through the Sangguniang Kabataan Official Eligibility or SKOE, the CSC recognizes the youth's vital role in nation building and opens door for them to pursue careers in government. Wow, eto na yung post, mga kaibigan. So congratulations po sa lahat ng mga SK officials, naging SK officials na nakatapos ng full 3-year term. Entitled na po kayo or makakakuha na po kayo ng eligibility ninyo sa civil service eligibility, which will definitely be, again, your edge and advantage pag kayo ay nagtrabaho na later on, especially na kung gusto nyong pumasok sa government. Alright, so yun lang. Informational video muna itong video natin sa ngayon. Thank you so much mga kaibigan for watching. Thank you so much for supporting Teacher Kevin PH. Congratulations po sa lahat ng ating mga SK officials.